In order to create a new customer within Business Central, we can either select the customer's quick item here. We can do a search for customers, or we can go to sales and customers. After we're on this page, we're going to go ahead and select new. And we have two templates here, one for business to business and one for cash payments. So we're going to go ahead and select this bank business to business customer and click OK. All right, it's going to automatically create a customer number for us, but we can overwrite that if we'd like. And then we're going to write the name of the customer. Now you can enter as much information as you have. So we have address, contacts, etc. We can enter a credit limit here. We can add a salesperson code to the new customer. We can also set up a document sending profile. So this is going to be how the customer gets their invoices, for example. So we can either have it go and be printed, or we can have it sent via email. When you send it via email, it's going to pick up the email right here on the customer card. When we come down to the invoicing section, you can enter, let's say you have a customer that actually is like the parent of this, and that they're going to be the ones that are paying for it. You can select the customer there. You can enter whether it's taxable or not, and if it is taxable, you can enter the tax information here. You can enter things like the currency code if it's multi-currency. You can select the payment terms code and the payment method code. So these are actually auto-populated based on the template that we used when we went to create a new customer. But we can always come in here and change this payment terms to, let's see if we have net 30, and the payment method code. There's other drop downs as well. This one's for shipping. So we can have multiple ship to codes. So to do this, we can just create new and create new addresses within the system. So you can select different shipping methods and ship to addresses. Let's say that we wanted to change an existing customer name. So let's get out of here, and this is 290 new customer. So now it's a new customer, but we say, oops, we wanted to actually change this. We can come in here and change the number as we'd like. It's going to ask if we want to rename, and we can rename. And you can do this whether you have any transactions or not. And we can come in here and change that name as well. Again, that's whether we have any additional transactions, or if there's no transactions at all. Either way works. We can also set up what's called recurring standard sales lines. To do that, we can click on more options, navigate, sales, recurring sales lines. Now this is going to tell the system what sales, so for example, this is an annual contract recurring sales line. So every time we create an invoice or we go to run new invoices, it will automatically tell the system what to put on the invoice. Now we can delete the customer if we'd like. If you have any transactions, even if the balance is completely zero, or if you reversed the transaction, you can't delete a customer. But if there's absolutely no record of any transactions, you can delete the customer by just simply hitting the trash can here.